When it comes to manifesting your deepest desires, it's essential to understand that it's not always a smooth process. In this video, I will discuss how to navigate the ups and downs of manifesting and provide steps that you can take so that you can keep persisting and do not give up no matter what. Be sure to watch to the end of this video so that you don't miss any of these vital tips. Also, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. There may be times when it feels like your desire is light years away from coming into fruition. It's easy to become disheartened and lose hope, especially when you don't see immediate results. However, giving up should never be an option regardless of the circumstances. You see, when you give up, you're only telling yourself that you don't have what you want and that you will never get it. And when you do that, the world will only reflect that back to you. The key to manifesting your desires lies in your consistent focus on the feelings of already having your desire. This is what the mystic Neville Goddard calls brazen impudence. You persist in having them no matter what the 3D reality is showing you. So how can you stay focused and persistent? Here are a few tips. First, it's essential to keep your focus solely on your desire as best as you can. It's natural to be sidetracked by doubts and negative thoughts, but it's crucial in those moments that when you get distracted, you redirect your mind and your heart back to focusing on your desire. This involves visualizing your desire as already accomplished and feeling the emotions of having it in your life. This is where you need to tap into your 5 senses in your imagination so that the feeling of having your desire washes over you. Using the 5 senses is a powerful technique that Neville Goddard taught in his lectures, and this technique is the reason he was a successful manifester. Now, to stay focused on your desire, it's helpful to have a clear vision of what you want. This may involve creating a vision board, writing down your goals, or taking time to ponder what your desire looks like and what it feels like. By doing so, you'll gain a clear understanding of what you want, making it a lot easier for you to stay focused on it throughout the day. Now, do your best to let go of any doubts and negative thoughts that might hinder your progress. These thoughts could be limiting beliefs that you've acquired over time, or fears and worries that are holding you back. Instead of dwelling on these thoughts, focus on what you want to achieve. Give up the what ifs or the if onlys. Now, one way to do this effectively is through affirmations and visualization. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself to shift your thoughts and beliefs. For example, you might say, "I am worthy and deserving of my desire," or "I am confident and capable of achieving my goal." Visualization involves picturing your desire as already accomplished and feeling the emotions and sense of accomplishment that come with it. This is where it is absolutely vital to use as many of your senses as possible to immerse yourself into experiencing that your desire is real. Visualization is by far one of the most powerful tools to experiencing the fulfillment of your desires as real. Now, whenever you get sidetracked, do not beat yourself up. Simply allow the negative thought or feeling to pass on its own, and then redirect your thoughts. You don't have to force the feelings out of yourself. Your only job is to redirect them. Now, in addition to shifting your inner world, you will also be inspired to take action. You will not have to force this action. It will come naturally to you, and it will feel natural as well. This action is not forced. It is inspired by your desire and not fear or doubt. When you take this kind of inspired action, you will begin to feel the reality of your desire, and events will begin to unfold for you. This is what Neville Goddard calls the bridge of incidents. For example, if you want a new job, your inspired action would involve updating your resume, and applying to some new positions. You then may receive a phone call for an interview, and that is the bridge of incidents. Now, even when setbacks and obstacles come up, always trust that you will get to where you want to be. Trust doesn't always come overnight, but it's a choice that you make every day. The reason you have your desires is because they are meant to happen for you. Trusting the process may be difficult at times, especially when you're used to controlling every aspect of your life. Still, by surrendering control and trusting that everything is happening for a reason, trusting that everything is happening for you and not to you, you'll open yourself up to new possibilities and opportunities. Manifesting your desires requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to never give up. It's vital to stay committed to your goals, take consistent action, and trust the process. It's also important to accept that setbacks and challenges are part of this process. These experiences provide opportunities for deep healing. Embrace them and use them as opportunities to learn and become stronger. By persevering through challenges and trusting the process, you will inevitably manifest your desires. Now, I hope you found this video to be helpful in your manifesting journey. Please be sure to hit the like button and leave a comment down below with your biggest takeaway. Also, please be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon if you want to be notified every time a new video is uploaded so that you can start accelerating your manifesting and have the life that you truly desire.